Hello, this is typical when you have boys, they destroy stuff. I don't know how this destroy. I don't know where these are, but we're gonna fix that right quick. Basically, I don't normally turn off the power for something like this because I'm not touching anything. Now, I wouldn't recommend putting a screwdriver in there unless you wanted it shot. All I'm doing is replacing this cover. Straightforward, yeah. Just doing on like that. This one is a little softer plastic so that when it gets hit with objects, it should not break like the previous one did. They even come with new screws, which is helpful. That's how you replace a wall plate. Very simple. I think this was 59 cents at Walmart. Here we go. Double wall plate because it's 2 switches. So it says wall plate double toggle switch. These are like toggle switches off and on. And there you go. Very good.